Now, how are you? Good morning. How are you doing? Now, this week today, the subject I'll be taking today is what is economics, and the topic for this week is financial institution. This topic is very very important and this is why. But I don't think we can finish this week. Next week we continue from this. We continue with this topic, and the outline for this week is written on the board, and I will definition of bank. Please, this outline is how I want you to form the note according to this outline. Do you understand? Then you tell me what you give it, then you define bank for me. Is it clear to you now? I will tell you the meaning of bank, then types of banks, then meaning of commercial banks, functions of commercial banks, types of bank account, commercial banks credit facilities, sources of income to commercial banks. These are the outlines for this week. Now, let me introduce this topic to you: financial institution. What do you mean financial institution? Financial is derived from a word called finance, and finance means something that involve money. That involve what? Money. The institution is what? Is an organization. So financial institution is what? Is an organization that is set up for what? Keeping and what? And lending of money. So financial institutions are what? Are organization. Financial institutions are what? Financial institutions. So financial institutions are what? Are organization that is set up, or that is set up what? To be in charge of keeping and what? And lending of money to individuals, organization and governments. So that's the financial institutions. Now let's start what? Bank. So bank is a financial institution. You do that. So what is the meaning of bank? Now, a bank may be defined as a financial institution. You want to define bank, you have to what? To start with this with what? A financial institution. Why? Because a bank is a financial institution. And I told you about a financial institution what are organization or institution that are in charge of keeping and what? And the lending of money to individuals, organization, and the government. So a bank is a what? Is a financial institution that is set up purposely for safekeeping of what? Of money and valuable things such as documents and wills. For instance now, bank may be defined as a financial institution. A bank is a financial institution, and I've told you the meaning of financial institution. So a bank is a financial institution that is in charge, or that is set up for safekeeping of money and other valuable things such as documents and wills. So some people think we can only keep our money in bank. No, you can keep your money in the bank. You can save your money. You can what? You can open an account in the bank, and you can also what? You can also keep valuable things such as documents and wills. You know, there are some documents that are very very important, like wills, like documents for house, properties. All these documents are very very important. So people watch. The best is to keep these documents in the bank. So you keep and will. All these documents are what are kept in the what? In the bank. So a bank is a what? A financial institution that is set up purposely for safekeeping of money and other valuable things such as documents and others are kept in the what? Bank. You can can also keep some important things such as gold, jewelries. All these are goods, but they are valuable things. You can also keep them in the bank. Gold is what? Is a valuable thing. Silver, jewelries that is very expensive. That you know that if you keep them in your house, it is not secure in your house. So you can keep them in the what? In the bank. So that is the meaning of what? Bank. So a bank is a financial institution set up purposely for safekeeping of money and other valuable things such as documents and others. So that is the meaning of what? Bank. Now, types of bank. We have different types of bank. Types of bank. Let's look at types of banks. Then the first one is what? Is commercial bank. You have commercial bank. 2, we have commercial bank. We have a mortgage bank. Then we also have what? We have a mortgage bank. We have development bank. Four, we have merchant bank. Then we have what? The last one is what? Central bank. So these are the 5 different types of bank. So we have commercial bank, mortgage bank, Mortgage bank can also be called building societies. We have development bank, we have merchant bank, and we have central bank. Now let me start with the first one, which is commercial bank. What is commercial bank? Now, commercial banks. What are commercial banks? Commercial banks. Commercial bank is a what? So let me use plural. Let me use singular. Commercial bank is a bank. Is a financial institution. Yes, you have to put financial institution. A commercial bank is a what? Is a financial institution. That is what? That carries out the retail banking services. That they carry out what? Retail banking services. The word is very, very important. Retail banking services. Let me write it on the board. Retail banking services. Good. The reason why I use this word retail banking services is because commercial bank are what? Are closer to the customers. You know that I've told you in the distribution trade. I think that what? Retailers are what? Are the merchants or traders that are what? That sell goods in what? A small quantity to the final consumer, and they are very close to the consumer. So commercial bank is a what? It carries out retail banking service. You know that commercial bank, they don't sell goods, they offer services to what? To the people. So they render commercial service to the people, like what? Keeping of money and also lending of money to what? To individuals, organization and government. So they what? They carry out retail banking services because they deal with the customer directly. Guys now, so they are retailers in terms of what? Service delivery. So they offer what? Retail banking services to the customers. Then I say commercial bank is a financial institution that carry out retail banking services, such as what? Keeping of what? Money, valuable things, such as what? Keeping, such as what? Acceptance of what? Deposits, and also lending and borrowing money to individuals, organization and government with the main purpose of making profit. See, that main purpose of making profit is very, very important. Why? Because the major aim of what? Of setting up commercial bank is what? Is to make profit. They want to make profit. Is that clear to you now? So commercial bank is a what? Is a what? Can be defined as a financial institution that carries out retail service banking. That is, they deal with the customer directly and what? And also accept deposits and lend money. They accept deposits and lend money to who? To individuals, that is everybody, abi, organization and government with the main purpose of making profit. Can you see it now? Commercial banks what? They what? They accept deposits from the customers. Like you now as a student, even as a teacher, any professionals or any people, you can what? You can open account with the commercial banks. Now let me give example of commercial bank. Example of commercial banks are all these Access Bank. All these banks, you are familiar with them. Access Bank, Zenith Bank, First Bank, UBA, what again? Wema banks. All these are examples of commercial bank because this financial is they are what? They are financial institutions with the purpose of what? Of making profits. That lets you now. So you can open account in any of these banks. So all these banks are called commercial banks. That lets you now. They what? They accept deposit from what? From customers. They can also what? Also lend money. They can lend money to the what? To the customer, not only to the what? To individuals, organizations such as what? Companies. All these companies you see, they what? They obtain loan from the commercial banks and also to the government. Sometimes government what? Obtain loan from commercial banks. So that is the meaning of commercial banks. So example of commercial banks are all these banks that are common in our country: Zenith Bank, Access Bank, First Bank, UBA, Wema Bank, and so there are many. We call it they are example of commercial banks. They are financial institutions that carry out of retail banking services, such as what? Acceptance of what? Deposits from what? From acceptance of deposits and what? Lending of money to individuals, organization and government with the main purpose of making profits. So that is what we call commercial banks. Hope that is clear to you now, and I've given you example of commercial banks. So we have them around and see them. Access Bank. So anybody can open account with commercial bank. They deal directly with the what? With the customer. They deal directly with the customers. You can open account with commercial banks. So commercial bank encourage savings. You can save your money in commercial banks. You want to withdraw, you can withdraw it anytime you like. So it's a bank which is set up what? With the main purpose of what? Of making profit. Now let's look at functions of commercial banks. Functions of commercial banks. Before I will still go there, I've seen these types of banks. I've told you the meaning of commercial banks. Then the next one is what? Mortgage bank. You know that I said we have 5 types of bank. Commercial banks, I've explained that. Mortgage bank. Now, this mortgage bank is also known as what? Building societies. Now, I will tell you the reason why it is called building societies. It's a financial institution that what? That accept long-term loan. That's what? That grant long-term loans to what? To individuals. That they grant long-term loan to individuals in order to encourage them to build their houses by themselves. Can you see now? These banks that what is a what? What is a financial institution that what? That's what? That grant, that are in charge of long-term loan. Abi, can you see now? They are in charge of what? Long-term loan. Sorry, they are in charge of what? Long-term loan. Or you can say is a type of bank that what? That they accept deposits from the customers and also encourage them to what? To build house on their own. The main purpose of money bank is what? Is to encourage savings. They encourage what? People to start saving with them. And then at the end of the day, they what? They offer long-term loan for these people in order to what? To assist them in building their house by themselves. Can you see it now? So that's what they are called building society. Mortgage bank, they are called what? Building society. They assist people to build house on their own. The first thing they do is what? They accept deposits from people. They are going to start saving. You save with them. After saving with them, maybe you have to save a certain amount before they can give you a loan. Like I used to what? To build your house on your own. After saving certain some amount of money, they encourage you what? They can give you loan. Let's assume you want to build that is 5 million, and you have already saved like 2 million with them, and the money is not sufficient. So they can what? They can offer you a loan that can what? That can enable you to what? To build your house by yourself. So mortgage bank, the major purpose of setting mortgage bank is to encourage people to build house on their own. That's why the mortgage bank is also called building society. Is that clear? And the next one is development bank. Yes, development bank is what? Is a financial institution that what? That's what? That grants long-term loan to what? To individuals and organization of what? Which is meant for development project or capital project. These banks, they what? They accept deposit from people, individuals, companies. Can you see it now? Then after that, they what? They grant long-term loan, huge amount of loan, huge amount of money, which is meant for development projects or capital projects. Projects like what? Maybe construction of roads, bridge, or establishment of big industries. So development bank is normally opened by industrialists, all these big companies. They have account with development bank because whenever they need huge amount of money as loan, they what? Development bank can assist them. An example of development bank is what? Is NICB. NICB is an example of what? Development bank. So NICB means what? National Nigeria Industrial NIBC, sorry. NIBC, Nigeria Industrial Bank for NIDB, sorry. Nigeria Industrial Bank for Development, NID, I can't remember, I think something like that. Nigeria Industrial Bank for Development. I still remember. So it's an example of what? Development bank. The main purpose of setting this development bank is what? Is to what? Is to offer long-term loan to individuals and organizations, which is meant for development project or capital projects. So all these organizations, big companies, sometimes they want to what? Invest money in what? In huge, in a capital project that is what? That they can't afford by themselves. They can easily go to what? Development bank. Can grant them a long-term loan, a huge amount of money. That can assist them in what? In investing in these capital projects, development projects. So that's what we call development bank. Is that clear? Because of time, I will continue from the next lesson.